Do you ever wonder why it feels like you are never alone? Why it feels like there is a presence, whispering subtle wisdom in moments of need, guiding you towards decisions that align with your true purpose. This invisible companion is a universal experience, a force that cuts through cultures, religions, and personal belief systems. This companion is today conceptualized as the higher self, an eternal, wise aspect of your consciousness that exists beyond the limitations of the physical perception. Various civilizations have recognized and sanctified this higher guidance, although under different names and forms. In Christianity, it is referred to as the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is a divine presence offering comfort, inspiration, and insight. The Holy Spirit is believed to dwell within, guiding believers towards a life of virtue and spiritual fulfillment. In various West African spiritual traditions, there is the concept of the Ori, which translates to one's spiritual intuition and destiny. The Yoruba religion, for instance, teaches that Ori is the most important deity because it is your personal divinity that guides your fate. In ancient Greek philosophy, there was a notion of the demon or genius, similar to what we understand today as the higher self. The demon or genius was a personal deity or spirit that inspires and guides us. Even Socrates spoke of a demon that directed his actions and thoughts. Native American spirituality often speaks of spirit guides and ancestors who walk with us, enriching us with wisdom from the unseen worlds. These diverse traditions point to a shared understanding, an understanding that we are not alone in our journeys on Earth. There is indeed a higher aspect of ourselves that is wise, eternal, and this divine aspect of ourselves has a deep connection to the universal consciousness. This higher self is not a separate entity, but a part of us. It is the truest version of who we are, untouched by the fears, doubts, and limitations that cloud our daily lives. Your higher self is the most intelligent and authentic expression of your being. It is the part of you that remains constant as you navigate the various phases of life and experience various lifetimes across dimensions. Think of it as the purest essence of your spirit, untainted by ego, societal conditioning, or your greatest fears. It is the source of unconditional love, wisdom, creativity, and peace. Your higher self is always connected to the grand blueprint of our collective existence. Its perspective goes beyond the limitations of our physical comprehension. It sees the bigger picture of your life's journey, understanding the lessons you need to learn and the experiences that will help you grow. Listening to your higher self is easy, just like tuning into a frequency that resonates with your true nature. When you silence the noise of everyday life, societal conditioning, and the chatter of your ego while stepping deep into your real self, you become proficient in your higher self's language. Regular meditation clears the mind and creates a medium for the subtle whispers of your higher self to be transmitted to you. Let your thoughts pass without attachment or judgment, and gradually you will find a sense of inner calm, a canvas where the voice of your higher self can emerge, audible and crystal clear. Pay attention to your gut feelings and intuitive discernments. These are sharp and instant ways your higher self communicates with you. When faced with decisions, notice how different options feel in your body and mind. Choices aligned with your higher self will typically bring a sense of peace and clarity. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences can help you recognize patterns and messages from your higher self. Review and reflect on your journals to uncover deeper insights and guidance. Spending time in nature as well can help you reconnect with your true essence, because the natural world has a grounding and calming effect. Don't forget to practice mindfulness in your daily activities. By being fully present, you create moments where the guidance of your higher self can come through more clearly. Interacting with your higher self is a two-way street. It is about asking for guidance and being open to receiving it. You should ask clear questions when seeking guidance. Be specific about what you want to know. Clear, focused questions yield clearer answers. Use symbols and signs. Your higher self usually communicates through symbols, signs, and synchronicities. These symbols will usually be meaningful to you or specific to the context of your conversation. Pay attention to recurring numbers, symbols in dreams, or meaningful coincidences. During your meditation or quiet moments, visualize meeting your higher self. Picture a wise, loving presence or whatever represents this idea to you energetically. Sometimes, the answers come in unexpected ways or require time to manifest, so trust the guidance you receive and be patient. You can align with your higher self by living in harmony with your true nature and purpose. Make choices that reflect your core values and deepest desires. Find your passions, strengths, and values. Understand what truly matters to you and let these guide your actions and choices. You must stay true to yourself no matter what. Do the things that contribute to the well-being of others. Service to others often brings you closer to your higher self because it aligns with the universal principle of love and compassion. Your higher self understands that challenges are part of the journey toward greater wisdom and strength. Nurture a sense of inner peace and contentment. Gratitude, forgiveness, and compassion help you maintain a state of harmony, and this mindset helps align you better with your higher self. You are the writer of your life, and every decision is ultimately yours to make. Your higher self can show you the path, but you must choose to walk it. Discernment is important in this process. Not every inner voice or external sign comes from your higher self. Sometimes, fears, desires, or external influences can masquerade as higher guidance. To figure out the true voice of your higher self, scrutinize the message. True guidance from your higher self will resonate with love, wisdom, and compassion. It will not instill fear, guilt, or shame. Your higher self will never direct you away from your true self, so ensure the guidance aligns with your core values and long-term desires. Divine guidance is consistent. If you receive conflicting messages, take time to meditate and seek clarity. Connecting with your higher self involves seeking guidance, exercising free will, listening deeply, and acting boldly. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm and know that you're supported by a profound wisdom that is always within reach. Always remember that connecting with your higher self is a natural process, accessible to everyone. It doesn't require special skills or mystical experiences. All it needs is sincere desire to connect with the deepest truth of who you are. When you deepen this connection, you open yourself to a life of greater fulfillment and purpose. You will begin to see the world with a sense of inner knowing and trust. You begin to understand that you are always guided and never truly alone. If this video inspired you in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on spirituality, personal development, and positive psychology. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from understanding the concept of the higher self. Your support helps us continue to create content that raises the collective consciousness of humanity. I'd love to hear about your experiences and thoughts on connecting with your higher self. Have you felt guided by an inner wisdom? What practices help you align with your true self? Share your stories in the comments below. I read everyone and can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching.